Hi, I'm Bruce Batey from Bateys Law Firm. If you are going through a family law separation, there's probably a couple of things that you need to think about, and they would be, what is the pool of assets? Those assets, all your assets minus your liabilities plus your superannuation, and what contributions were made by both parties. In addition to that, if there's children involved, we need to understand what's practical in the sense of when can the children spend time with mum and when can the children spend time with dad. Now, often people say we want a 50-50 care arrangement. That works in some of the situations, but often it's impractical. If dad's working a 60-hour week or 7 days a week, well, a 50-50 arrangement does not work for that. So we need to see what's practical to fit in with mum and dad's working schedule, and so that the time that they do spend with their children are quality times. So often one of the solutions when we look at the parenting arrangements is that the children spend a weekend every 2 weeks with one of the parents. So it could be from Friday night after school till Monday morning at the commencement of school. And if Monday's a public holiday, then to Tuesday morning at the commencement of school. That would be on week 1, and then on the second week there may be some midweek time, so it could be every Tuesday and Wednesday night with dad, or every Tuesday and Wednesday night with mum, depending on who's got the primary care of the kids. Now by doing that puts a much more even distribution of time between mum and dad. From a practical point of view, when you're sorting out what time the kids spend with mum and dad, it's wise to look at the time on a 2-week cycle. So often it might be every second weekend in this example with dad, and that could be from after school on Friday night until the commencement of school on Monday, and if Monday's a public holiday, the commencement of school on Tuesday. In addition to that, it could be every second week that the children spend, say, Tuesday and Wednesday night with dad. So if you look at that, there's 3 nights with dad on the weekend, plus another 2 nights on the second week midweek, which would allow for a 5 nights in 14 with dad. Now, if the parents really did want to make this a 50-50 type arrangement and it worked with their working commitments, then that midweek time could be moved to both weeks, and that would give you a 7 nights per fortnight for both parents. If you need some assistance with your family law matter or need some guidance, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to have a free consultation with you over the phone.